Manifest for leather company.
Yes, all in order. Go ahead, driver.
Keep the pace steady.
Clear on the left, moving to section 3.
Look at this spot right here.
Yeah, I see it. It's definitely uneven. Pull that one aside.
Make sure that edge is flat. Got it.
Pull it from the left. Got it. Watch your step back there. Here's the last one for this load.
Got it. Let's head to the East Bay.
All right, push hard.
This scar tissue is too prominent for grade A.
Yes, mark this down as a grade B.
Noted. The texture is inconsistent here. Flow rate is optimal on this batch, John. Good, keep an eye on the temperature.
Check that seam right there.
Whew.
Looks good. Pressure is holding steady.
Temperature is stable at 35. pH is slightly high, 7.2.
Noted. Adjust the levels accordingly.
Heights look fully immersed. Are the levels matching the projection?
Yes, the reaction rate is steady. We can proceed to the next phase. Looks like we're stable at 95 degrees.
Okay, I'm logging that now. The pressure looks good too.
I've tightened the bypass valve, but we still have a steady drip right here.
Yeah,
I see it.
I'll add it to the report.
Pressure holding steady at 50 psi.
Matches the flow rate perfectly.
Everything looks good for compliance. We're right on target for the final tumble pressure.
Good. I'll log the reading now.
The temperature is slightly elevated on this one.
Yeah, I see it. Logging the variance now.
The pressure is fluctuating again. We're nearing the upper limit.
I see it. The automated valve response is still within tolerance, but keep monitoring bank 4.